All right, so first thing we're going to take our thumb and go right underneath the gill plate and above the gills, and we're going to put it so our thumb comes right out of the mouth there. This is a big trout, so all right, and then we're going to take our knife and we're going to come down here, and there's the vent or the anus, and we're going to just put the knife in real shallow. We're not going to go too deep. We're just going to cut all the way up there, boom, like that. And then we're going to want to cut up here. Be careful not to cut your thumb. Just hold it at the back of the neck of the trout. Put your knife through and then cut up. And then we want to keep these pectoral fins on. So in order to do that, we don't pull the guts out yet. We're going to put the knife through underneath the gills. Poke it straight through. Again, try not to cut yourself. And then cut straight up. And then we're going to take our thumb and we're going to break, just like that. We're going to break it down. And on this other side, we're going to put our finger in here into the gills and break that away. And then we're going to pull straight down. And just remove all those guts. All right, then the next part is we gotta remove this kidney in the back. So in order to do that, you'll just take your thumb and use your fingernail and just go right in the bottom and just kind of work. Oops. All right, I'm gonna fold that down so you can see better. And I'm just going to work my thumb up the back, like that. Push in there. We've separated the kidney from the backbone there. And then take the top of your thumb and just kind of go down like this. And get all that kidney. And then use this part of your thumb right here and press against that backbone. And take all that kidney out in one piece like that. So we'll get rid of the kidney. Now I'm going to wash this up and then I'll show you how to fillet and skin. All right, so the first thing we want to do is we want to break the head back. Just like that, just push it backwards and separate it. And then the key here is you don't want to hold your knife too steep like this, otherwise you're going to cut into the skin or all the way through it. And then you don't want to have it too pointed up too high, otherwise you're going to be cutting right through the rib cage. Okay, so we're just going to go in just barely under those rib cages, those bones there, and you'll be able to feel it. Your knife is going to rub against those bones. And we'll just slowly work our way through. Just go a little bit at a time. Just like that. Just a little bit at a time, working our way through. Down to the bottom here, and then we're just going to bring our knife that way. Cut it through. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we're going to flip the fish over. And I'm going to rotate this and switch onto the other side so that I can show you. Next, we're going to just do the same thing. Again, just try and keep parallel with those bones. Just bring your knife up. Just work your way through. Down to the bottom, and just rotate your knife through. Cut it away. Okay, and then the next step is we're going to flip the fish over. So we want the head on the left, tail on your right. And now we're just going to start right at the top here and just kind of work your knife down in there. And we're going to try and keep our knife pretty parallel with the spine there. And we're probably going to end up cutting through some of these rib cage right here, and I'll show you how to remove those in just a sec. But the key is I want to get really close to that spine there. And I'm going to work this down, and we're going to keep the tail on this time because I'm going to show you how to skin it. So we're just going to leave our knife right there at the end. We're not going to cut all the way through. Then we're going to take our knife through again, make a couple passes here. Clean that up a little bit. Okay, right here we have some bones that got left behind. And you might be thinking, oh crap, I did it wrong. Well, you know what? Sometimes this happens, but that's easy to get rid of. We're just going to take our knife. And if you have a super sharp knife, you can just barely touch that. See how I'm not even putting much force on it? And I'm just going to get rid of those leftover rib bones. If you angle your knife a little bit differently when you're making that cut, you may not end up with any of these. All right. Don't feel any. There are some pin bones right here. I usually just leave them in there and I cook the trout, and then you'll just pull them out afterwards. I don't usually like to try to remove them just because you end up taking a lot of the meat with you. With them, I should say. All right, we're going to flip it over and do the other side now. All right, so now we're going to just take the knife and cut down in there. And we're going to do that same movement. We're going to poke the knife through right there. And this one, I'm actually going to go all the way through because I'm not going to skin this side of the trout. So I'm going to put it all the way through, clean up these few little bones that are left behind. Just like that. And then I'm going to clean up, kind of cut away the rest of these ribs from the spine, from the back of this trout. And then we're going to just grab up here and just pull it all away. And then there'll be a little bit connected there. And we'll just go ahead and cut right there. Again, this side we're going to leave connected because we want to skin the meat. We want to take the skin off of this meat on this side. So what we'll do is we're going to take and we're going to break, just bend it back and forth, and then twist. We'll just twist that right off. I don't use my knife to cut through the bone because that will dull your knife. So once you've broken it, then you can cut the skin that's still attached. And we've left part of it on here. We're going to get rid of the skeleton there. That's left on. So the next step is I'm going to take away my towel here just so I don't cut through it. All right, so we're gonna get rid of the pectoral fins right here, the head, and this pectoral fin. So you're just gonna take your knife and just go right under there, cut up, and then just take the knife as close as you can. Try to save as much meat as you can, and then just cut that off. All right, now we've got the pelvic fin right here that we need to get rid of. So we'll just take our knife, go down this way, cut it off. Again, make sure your fillet knife is really sharp. It makes the life a lot easier. We're going to flip it around here, and we're going to cut off this pelvic fin right here. So just take your knife and go right in there, and there it goes. And then last thing before we skin it is we need to take off this dorsal fin. So if you look how the dorsal fin is laying, so this one, it's laying over here, it's overlapping on this side of the trout. We're going to want to cut on this side first, just like that, so we don't end up cutting into that dorsal fin and dulling our knife. Okay, so now we separate that. And this fillet is looking great. It's looking good, ready to eat. All right, so now look on this side, the dorsal fin's there. Just go ahead and flip it over like that. Lay it down so that way we're not going to cut through it. And then just run your knife like that. Separate the dorsal fin. Okay, now we've got ourselves a nice little part that we can hold on to as we skin the trout. Okay, this is where we're going to start. We're going to take our knife and we're going to put it right under there and angle it just a little bit just to get started. We're going to just cut down to the skin right there. And then we want to flatten out the knife. We don't want to go too steep, otherwise we're going to cut the skin right off. And if we go too steep that direction, we're going to end up just removing too much meat. We're not going to separate it. So we kind of keep it parallel with the table, with the mat. And then we're just going to kind of saw back and forth, just work it back and forth. And every now and again I'll just take and I'll lift it up and I'll just make sure that I'm not messing up there. So we'll just work it back and forth. And this is a pretty wide fillet, so you might want to, work on this side a little bit and then come over and put your knife a little deeper. And you'll get you kind of have to adjust the pressure of the knife as you're cutting. All right. And we're just gonna keep working down here. Now we've got it all separated. Take the skin off. And then now this fillet is ready to eat. So now somebody who may not like to eat the skin, they've got theirs. And then the person that likes to eat the skin, they've got their piece. You'll see that there are some scales on the skin, but when you cook them or pan fry them, these scales will just dissolve and cook away. So you won't even need to worry about those at all. I wouldn't bother trying to descale the skin there. If you thought this video was useful, go ahead and give me a like, subscribe. We'll catch you later.